Hey, I'm Duffy, and you're part of Motorcycle Night Nation. The return of Motorcycle Night in Lowell, which is presented by Progressive, is one of the benchmarks for the return of riding season here in the Merrimack Valley. This year, there's a $3 walk-in fee to make it fair for the riders who've always been charged a fee. Motorcycle Night in Lowell takes place every Tuesday night, weather permitting over the summer, between 6 and 9 p.m. at the Sampas Pavilion. You get to see a lot of motorcycle vendors and get a chance to catch up with all your biker buddies, like my friend, Brian Benoit.
How you doing? I'm Brian. You come down here. It's fucking awesome.
Brian had just gotten a new Softail patch from one of the many vendors at the event.
They gave me the shirt last year just for being here. You know?
My name is Marlene from Marlene's Custom Leather. I'm from Connecticut. My 101-year-old sold me. It's a good little workhorse. It goes all over the country.
Twice. What's your name? James.
Nice to see you again. My name's Scurvy, and I got a thing for pirates. And I got a pirate map tattooed. My license plate's Scurvy, and they gave me the nickname Scurvy.
Hello, my name is John Parent. I'd like to say hello to everybody.
What is it? It's
1979 KZ1000 ST.
All right, what's your name?
Scott. Speed.
I also saw Rob Lation from Old School Custom Fabrication riding in on his custom 1951 Harley Davidson.
Thank you.
I also ran into Garrett, the brush mower guy.
How you doing? This is Garrett. Second time for the kickoff here with Duffy Digital, and what a night here, the first night of the year. Come down, enjoy. It happens every Tuesday night, so check it out.
Garrett rides around with his dog Buzz in the sidecar of his Ural. A fellow Ural enthusiast is also regular at Motorcycle Night.
Yeah, I come down here from Nashua whenever I can.
All right, well, see you.
Now and then when I see your face, she takes me away. Special place, and if you stay too long, probably break down and cry. Sweet child of mine. Sweet love of mine. How did you get with him?
Also, folks, please, if you're in the center of the field where bikes are...
Hey, what's up? It's Mary. I'm riding a Kawasaki Vision 300. Start riding.
My name is Anthony Hargrove. I play drums, originally from Boston. Played drums with MB Padfield here tonight for Motorcycle Night. Crazy night. I've never been to one of these before, so it's first time, first experience. Awesome night.
Yeah, every Tuesday over the summer, Motorcycle Night in Lowell. So come on back.
Hey, I should be here. Shout out to Mr. Duffy, his YouTube channel. You guys got to check it out. Perfect.
Dude. All right, this is what I'm talking about. Fresh pulled pork sandwich. Yeah, man. Can't go wrong.
I got one too.
Oh, this is awesome. After a long long day of filming. I like some Gabby's pulled pork.
If you enjoy this coverage of Motorcycle Night, please subscribe to the Duffy Digital YouTube page. It's free and lets me know that it's worth keeping this content coming.